YachtsFSBO.com would like to offer a 2017 Everglades Model 355cc powerboat for sale. The boat currently resides in Newport Beach, California, and asking price is $510,000. The boat is a center console with twin live wells, lockable rod storage, outriggers, rod holder and kingfish rod holders, seating for 12 to 15 people, has a bait prep station, small sleeping area, freshwater washdown, raw water washdown, side utility door with dive ladder, has a full upper station with hard top, X-top option for extra shade. The owner states this is one great looking boat. It's got all grip silver metallic paint, lifetime hull warranty, and a 5-year bow to stern warranty. Best warranty of any center console on the market. The Everglades name speaks for itself. The boat has triple 300 horsepower custom painted white engines, joystick docking, twin Garmin 7616 GPS map, autopilot, Garmin VHF, open array radar, dual chirp transducers, side scan transducer, upper station GPS maps, wireless VHF, and remote controlled spotlight. It has 6 AGM 1000 batteries, a Nautilus charger, all Everglades wiring harness and connections are done in-house. Has underwater lighting, LED lighting overhead, and accent lighting on the floor. Forward and aft spreader, 2 large fish boxes, casting platform that has electric base that turns into a table, bow shade when entertaining, cockpit cover, helm seat cover, lockable rod storage, and much more. The owner states this Everglade 355cc is a dealer demo with only 45 hours on it. The boat's loaded with options and is priced lower than any 355cc in the country with a full factory warranty. This boat must go to make room for the new demo that is in production. We'll consider any real offers. This is a fishing machine and loaded with creature comforts. This boat is ready to run and fish. This boat has the X-top option for extra shade and cover. For more information or pictures or to contact the owner, visit yachtsfsbo.com.